So it's been a while since I did an update on this whole app, my Intuitus one, my first one that I did. And I was called in while App Store Connect was going and what was happening on there. And when I looked back, I realized the last update I did was like August. So that's like almost 3 months away now. So I'm going to do another one. So if you bear with me, I will show you the stats of what I have on here and how things it's changed. So if I go on here back to, it was like here. So I released the app in, I think it was like June, beginning of June, end of March, May. So, and we can see clearly it was not amazing. And when I gave the update in August, I was getting like 262 impressions over that period. And obviously you can see it was like 53 product page views and conversion rate and total downloads. So that's not amazing at all. Now, I had obviously a terrible App Store page, and I also had no marketing whatsoever. Now, after I did that update, I had a few suggestions from people, and also just myself, I knew I needed to change some things. So the main thing I did was I shipped one update about a week or two, maybe 3 weeks after, and I also updated all of the App Store Connect pictures and making sure that the subject, which is autism, is in the second text, like the title text. The main change that I made with the screenshots was that before it was just plain screenshots. This time it actually had text like around it saying about features that were on the page below and everything. And since then, it changed quite dramatic. So it went up quite a lot the next month. So 700, it's like 194% apparently better. Project views were up again, and like almost 100%, and the downloads were up over 100%. And then again, October, it went up again to like over 1,000 over the month. And then, this is up to now. Okay, so up to now, sorry. So we're hitting about 1,000 impressions a month. Project page views have gone down actually, but my downloads had gone up again. So I was getting like 25 a month. Now, this again is with nothing crazy. I didn't change anything of the text of the app description, which I should have probably done. And I could have really improved the screenshots even more, but it was, amateur hour trying to get that done. So that's basically the change that's happened. Also, I made a Threads account, and I also made an X account, and I made a Facebook account for the app. And my habit of using it is absolutely terrible, but I started just here and there putting out a post and browsing a little bit and trying to comment and etc. And that may have influenced this. I can't see any corresponding pattern, in all honesty, between these metrics and what I was doing on social media. But it may be a subtle bit of adding a few extra impressions, views, or downloads. So if it has, that's good. Now, I've been distracted over these last 2 months when this was going on, trying to work on something different. Originally, it was a Ship-a-Ton app, and I missed that deadline, so now I'm finishing it now. So hopefully within the next week, that will be done, and I'm going to refocus back on to Intuitus, and I'm going to see if I can grow this more. Basically, by being more present on social media, having a proper plan for that, and then also updating my App Store page, like improving it even more. So that's going to be a second thing. And then obviously I've got big feature updates that I want to be making and putting on the app to just making it a better product and more that I can research. But yeah, this is the journey so far. And I just wanted to be honest about it so that everyone can see where someone who's new at this and is generally mentally very distracted can get. And if you've got an idea that you want to do, like, you can do it. Like, you're going to do far better than this. And you can definitely make something that people use, potentially a business, or just the pure joy of actually making something that people use. So, yeah, anyway, questions, insights, inputs, please let me know. But yeah, that's it. And then hopefully the next update, maybe in a month or two, we'll have the extra new stuff on the app stores, and maybe I'll talk about the other app as well and see how that goes down when it releases. So yeah, I bubbled a bit with this. There's like 5 minutes apparently on the timer. So if you're still watching till now, cool, thanks. And yeah, speak again soon.